Previously on Sailing Wind Therapy, we made our way to St. Barts for our friends Lenny and Randy Smith's epic party weekend. It took 7 flights, a ferry, and 4 extra nights in a hotel to get there and back, and it was totally worth it.
We're leaving St. Barts.
I'm so sad. I had such a good time here.
And that's the plane. And that's the end of the runway right there. Should be no problems.
Oh my god, what could possibly go wrong?
Yeah.
And after that one, welcome aboard our service. So the Simar flight time will be approximately 10 minutes, so very short flight. Please make sure your seatbelts, start security fasten before departure, and full flight duration of the flight. The emergency exits are located on rows 2 and 7, as well as 2 to the front. The left is reach your seat, and the seat pocket for you is an emergency movement guard. I would hope you enjoy the short flight, and welcome aboard, and thank you for joining us.
10-minute flight.
We took off from St. Martin and headed for Dominica, where we would spend the night and half of the next day before continuing our journey home.
The first of many waterfalls and the first of 365 rivers on Dominica. Climb up that rope. He's like a little boy hiking in the forest.
How's the idea?
We flew from St. Barts to St. Martin to Dominica, and then we had an overnight in Dominica, and then we're going from Dominica to Barbados to St. Vincent to Grenada.
Unless you are instructed to do so. To don your vest, pull the vest over your head. Take the strap around your waist and fasten in front. Pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. To inflate your vest, pull downwards on the red tabs.
Right now we're sailing into the wind on our way up to, we're either going to stop at Ronde Island or, where's the other place we're going? Carriacou. Yeah, we're getting kind of beaten up, but it is what it is.
Supposedly the next few days are supposed to be worse, so we're going today because we love Grenada, but it's time to leave.
Yep, time to leave.
Well, this is very good timing. Normally when we pick up anchor or a mooring ball, that's when the rain starts, and we picked up the mooring ball and the rain started like a minute after.
We're at Sandy Island and it doesn't suck.
Just ignore that whole rainy section over there. Pretend like it's not even there.
This boat over here is having a real devil of a time trying to pick up that mooring ball, so Jeff jumped in the dinghy to go help them. They've tried 4 times to pick it up and they're having a real rough time. There's a big current here though, so that's not helping really.
Wind therapy is out there somewhere. We got to ride in from that guy. We are at Paradise Beach Club, Carriacou. That's Sandy Island over there. What are you gonna eat tonight?
I have no idea. I haven't seen the menu yet.
It's gonna be good. Paradise Pizza.
The holidays in the Caribbean are definitely an experience. These ladies sang Christmas carols while we ate dinner for at least 45 minutes. They were raising money to help people in need on the island.
So today we are going up to Canouan to go to a super fancy schmancy resort marina. Wasn't really on our plan, but we have a problem that we have to fix. What's our problem?
It's a really shitty problem
It's
to
a
have.
shitty problem, and it's the second time we've had this shitty problem.
Yeah, our head is clogged somehow.
Again.
So we tried everything, and it's not from the through hull, it's from the valve below where the
Holding tank.
the holding tank sits. So somewhere between the holding tank and the through hull, it's clogged. Actually, above the through
It's
hull.
above the through hull, right?
So we need to pump out, and we can't pump it out because we opened everything and nothing's coming out.
Oh, well, no, we can't dump it.
We can't dump it. We can't get rid of it.
So we have to get a pump out. And to get a pump out, we have to go up to this fancy, schmancy, swanky marina that's going to charge us $150 a night and $45 to pump out our holding tank.
And the only other pump out was back in Grenada.
We're not going back.
And I'm like, I don't want to go back to Grenada.
No, I mean, I like
to-
it there,
yeah.
but the goal now is to keep moving forward. So fortunately, we have 2 holding tanks on this boat, so we've just been using the other side. This might be a little too much information, but it is boating life. It
Right.
happens. We always do a deck check every time we're going to put up the sails, just to make sure that all of the connections around the boat are safe and secure and steady. Every once in a while we find a bolt that's come loose on a stanchion, or maybe there's a ring that's come out of a pin, so we just do it every time. Thank you, Glenn Simmons. You save our life. We were sailing our first boat, Ruach, from BVI over to Puerto Rico once, and we had our captain on board because the boat was in the moorings charter program at the time. And we picked up an anchor, or not an anchor, we picked up a mooring ball just off of Culebrita. And was hanging out on the trampoline for a second, and I found a bolt on the trampoline. I thought, well, that's not good. That came from somewhere. And it turned out it was that bolt right there. So, yeah, we check everything now.
Nothing like hand steering between reefs. So we gotta thread our way through the islands of the Tobago Cays, or the reefs of the Tobago Cays. We gotta go through this first reef and then bear right so you don't smack into the second reef, and then bear left again to get past the third reef.
Just one look from
Sandy Lane Yacht Club. Sandy Lane Yacht Club. This is the sailing vessel wind therapy.
Wind
Good morning. We are at the entrance to the channel. We have a slip reserved for a few nights.
Yes, please. Please prepare your fenders on the port side, lines on the port side as well.
Copy that, fenders and lines on the port side. We are going to need a pump out. Is that something that you do at the slip, or do we need to go to a station for that?
We, at the moment, normally a pump out, we have to book it first.
Can I book it now?
Today, when you're ready, we'll discuss it.
Copy that, fenders and lines on the port side.
Well, I try not to curse at the sun when it's rising, but I've been there before, so it's not too surprising when I cuss, make a fuss. Lord, stop thinking about us. Sometimes our friends, they don't do us any favors. Adding fuel to the fire with various flavors of booze from which to choose. They all lead to the blues. Ooh. And that's the condition, Lord, in which you will find me. I can't cut or unbind all of these chains until finally I'm through. A little bit overdue. Oh no, the fortune view.
So pretty.
Holy shit, this is gorgeous. Oh my god.
Oh, there's the pool. We spent 3 nights at the Sandy Lane Yacht Club on Canouan, eating delicious food, watching amazing sunsets, and enjoying the pool. Where'd it go? Holy moly. Opa. Thank you, love. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yum.
We're sitting here drinking champagne, watching the sunset, which is about to go down. Oh, there's the sun going down. And these turtles are popping out of the woodwork. There's 3 turtles there. I don't know what the hell they're doing. They're gonna come and try to take our charcuterie. I hate it when turtles steal my charcuterie. Don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I hate it.
That was expensive charcuterie.
We are leaving this beautiful marina, Sandy Lane, today. I'm actually a little sad to go. We had such a lovely time here. There's a great bakery right over there, and then a wonderful, wonderful grocery store. A little expensive, but it's nice. And then over there is this fantastic pool with a bar.
Calypso and the captains. Calypso and the captains. Wind therapy. We all need wind therapy.